Hello, everybody. In this class, we're going to work with text number 5. You can find these activities in the second part of Unit 3, which is already available on Canvas in the Files section. The exercises for text 5 are on pages 14, 15, and 16. You can also find the audio files in the Files section, so you can do the dictations. So let's see, the first exercise, exercise A, listening for meaning. You're going to listen to the text for the first time. You have there, the name is text 5, first listening. You're going to listen to it and analyze the context of situation. That is the type of interaction, participants under social relationship, the activity type, setting, and purpose. Then we have some activities related to the tonetic dictation. First, you're going to analyze the exchanges and speech acts for this conversation. You have the conversation on page 15. You can read it from there to analyze the speech acts. And it will help you if you identify the conversational routines that express some of the speech acts. Then you're going to predict the intonation of the conversational routines you identified in exercise 1. And you're going to mark tonality, that is tone unit division. After that, you're going to analyze the discourse markers for the conversation, and you're going to predict the intonation of those discourse markers, and again, mark tonality. And then you're going to listen to the second file, which says second listening, text 5, second listening, and you're going to underline the tonic syllable. Remember that we are talking about tonic syllables, so you should underline syllables and not complete words. So be careful with that. You're going to listen to the first part, and then for the second part of the text, you have to mark the tones as you listen. So you're going to listen to the audio file that says tones, text 5, third listening, and you're going to mark the tones you hear. Then you have another audio file where you can check everything. You can listen again to check what you have done. Then we have some exercises on dominance. First, you're going to look for examples of dominance in the selected terms. Remember, you have the conversation in the previous page, on the previous page, so you can look for the examples there. Then you're going to write those examples in the chart, in this chart, and analyze if they are dominant or non-dominant. So here in the chart, you have the first column with the terms, N1, N2, C2, and N5. In the second column, you have the example. Here, you're going to write the example. For the examples, for example, in turn N1, you will find 2 examples. For turn N2, you're going to find 2 examples too, and so on. And then you're going to say if those examples are dominant or non-dominant. And finally, you're going to analyze if the participants are mostly dominant, mostly non-dominant, or neutral. And you're going to write the names under the corresponding column. Here at the end of the chart, you have the 3 columns, mostly dominant, neutral, or mostly non-dominant. You write the names of the participants under the corresponding column. And that's it for today. If you have any questions, please let us know. Bye-bye. See you.